So guys, this is graphicart.com. You have to come on this website. This is the officially website of graphicart. You can see here the search key. You just click on this and then you have to type your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this all result you can hear, otherwise you go to product and then click to title of Z890. After that click to support. Then you can guys see here there are two operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so if you are using separate, otherwise you can select all. Okay, so I am Windows 11. Okay, so select operating system Windows 11. On Windows 10 also same installations process. Okay, then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. So first Wi-Fi driver and click to download. This is latest version. Then single click to open the setup and double click. Then click to yes. Now this is installing Wi-Fi Intel Wi-Fi driver. Then install ycmd command. Wait few seconds to show here. This is installing. After that show again Wi-Fi driver. Now this is closed, so that means this is installed.